Hey guys, time for the notes portion of Chapter 9, Lesson 2, 9.2 on mean, okay? Excuse me. Alright, that first definition, the mean of a data set is the sum of the data divided by the number of data values. What does all that gibberish mean? Look in the blue. 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 6 is 19, 19 plus 9 is 28. I'm dividing it by 4 because I have 4 data values, 8, 5, 6, and 9. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Therefore, the mean of that data set is 7. Pretty simple stuff. We might have 15, 20 numbers in there. We might have decimals. We might have fractions, etc., etc. But basically what we need to know is how many values are there, and then we're going to divide it by that number. Okay? Pretty simple stuff. We're going to scroll down a little bit here. Talk about outliers. Later on in the chapter, you will learn a formula for figuring out exactly what an outlier is. For now, what you need to know is an outlier is a data value far higher or lower than the other numbers in a data set. An outlier definitely can affect the mean of a set of data. Okay? For an example here, I have 10 people in our class. In red here, I have 10 students. I added their ages and I got up to 112. I divided by 10. And I get 11 and 2/10. So about 11 years and 2/10 of a year would be, about 2 or 3 months, I suppose. Okay? If I throw me in and take one kid out, look what happens to the mean. It goes from 11 and 2/10 all the way up to 15 and 4/10. So when you see those outliers, your mean is going to be affected dramatically. And in some of your work, they're going to ask you to find the mean with the outlier or without. Also remember, before we go today, outliers can also be very low numbers. So if I was doing a professional basketball team, most of those guys are close to 7 feet, but their point guard, the guy who dribbles the ball up the court, he might be only 5 feet 5 inches like Earl Boykins was when he played. Peace out, guys. Make sure you get these notes all in your notes, in your notebook, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night.